Je remets votre micro.
Silence demandé, s'il vous plaît.
I think I'm pragmatic, positive, and certainly a global nomad. Build a natural and strong link between electric mobility and Renault 5. When you think electric, you think Renault 5. When you think Renault 5, you think electric. In order to encourage electric mobility, I believe we need to talk to our customers' brain, but also to their heart. We need to work on functional levers, such as price or charging experience, but we also need to push emotional buttons. We need to create a desire for electric cars. That is exactly what Renault 5 E-Tech Electric is made for. It has an instant crush design, as iconic as the design original Renault 5. It offers the best of EV technologies for maximum driving pleasure and 2 battery sizes to adapt to all needs in terms of range. It is made in France and strongly committed to sustainability. This is what we achieved as a team with the Renault brand and Ampere, but I will let the experts do the talking. I chose Ice emoji to hand the mic over to Paula. Paula worked very hard with Gilles Vidal and the design team to create a car that will turn heads. Paula, the floor is yours.
Ah, j'ai vu, ouais. Il y a un mec qui est tombé, non? C'est vrai que je vous ai tous vu vous relever comme...